just put it in the dryer.
What are you doing? Put it in the dryer?
No, Daddy. I just put it in the dryer.
Well, what you got to put all clothes in there, have you?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Can you hold it for me?
Nearly in. Oh, nice one. Whose little pants are they? Put them all in then.
And the other socks.
There we go. That's it. Is the fluff off? Hang on, we've got a sock stuck in there. Lift it out, please. That's it.
Don't put that on YouTube, though. Oh! Ah! You dropped it all.
What are these, Gordon?
What are they?
My jeans. Them big boy pants.
Well done.
Them big boy pants.
Are they my big boy pants?
Yeah.
Good boy.
It's for Finley's. It's just for Finley.
Balls in. Right, we need to put on 20 minutes just for those. Oh, crumbsy daddy's been You silly Wally. You are a Wally. Wave at the camera.
Go on then, get this on.
Push harder.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Washing machine.
Tumble dryer.
Tumble dryer.
What's that down here? What is it?
In exchanger.
Is it the heat exchanger?
What's that?